In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in a Canva website. Buttons make it easy for visitors to take action, whether that's visiting another page, opening a form, or learning more about your services. I'll walk you through the exact process in Canva and share simple tips to make your button look clean, clear, and easy to click. Start by opening your Canva website in the editor. You'll see your page in the center, with the main toolbar at the top and a panel on the left. That left panel is where you'll find everything you need to build your button. Click Elements in the left panel. Here you can scroll through categories or use the search bar. You can pick a simple shape, like a rectangle with rounded corners, or choose a pre-made button-style graphic if you see one you like. Either option works. The key is choosing something that stands out from your background so it's easy to spot. Drag your chosen shape onto the page and place it exactly where you want the button to live. Use the snap guides to align it with other content and keep your layout tidy. Consider how it will look on smaller screens as well. Placing it near the top of a section or centered in a hero area often works best. Now add the label text on top. Short, action-focused phrases like "click here," "contact," or "learn more" work great. Make the text readable by increasing the font size and choosing a bold weight. Set the text color to contrast well with the button shape. Dark text on a light button or light text on a dark button. Center the text over the shape so it looks balanced and professional. To make it clickable, select either the shape or the text, then look for the link icon in the top toolbar. You can link just the text, but linking the shape is often better because the entire button area becomes clickable, which is easier for your visitors. Paste the link you want the button to go to. Use the full URL, including HTTPS, to ensure it works correctly. This can be an external website, a contact form, or another page you've published. Click Done or Apply. That's it. Your button is now active. When visitors click it, they'll go straight to the URL or page you provided. For a polished look, keep your button style consistent across your site and use clear, familiar labels. Good color contrast and simple wording go a long way in helping visitors know exactly where to click and what to expect.